guys, this is again my channel. So okay, let's go play. That's my friend RV Jr. His name is NJ in the YouTube channel. That's her channel. He's playing Roblox. Okay. So thank you for watching every day in my channel. So today we are gonna play. Okay, let's play Brookhaven. Oh no, I know. Let's play something. Let's find something in here. If I will. I'm gonna play Survive the Killer all by myself. Because my friend is busy playing Storm guys, and Junior is playing Black Spring. Okay. Let's go play Survive the Killer. Okay, that's me. My name is Florence. My name is Roblox. If someone loves me to invite, just I'm lagging because there's so many things. Just click that, and click that. So I'm gonna read in this screen. Okay, I'm playing parkour. Play parkour sometimes. Okay, let's find that's Junior voice. Maybe find the six. Okay, I like this. I never, but I like playing finding things. We're enjoying making our video. Okay, that's not me, and this am I. Wait, guys. Okay, let's go find a sushi. Where can I find a sushi? Maybe let's go hop in this place to find something. So I never find a. Also, I never play this thing, but it's not good, but I like finding things. I'm new in this, so be careful if you play this thing. Oh no.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I'm so lagging because nothing. Wait, guys. I'm so sorry. What? Wait, Nangged. Wait, guys. Okay, this is. Okay. Didn't. Because I'm playing now, so I finally get that. I'm finding a sushi in Wala man, wala na isa. Liwatan mo yung ginubra ko. Ana? Okay guys, I'm finding a sushi, but I found a bear in here place. So I'm gonna decide to go, but no, there's a sushi. Yes, I like it. I like this game, by the way. By the way, my name. Oh, sorry. I'm just reading my play. Oh no, I died. Okay, I'm gonna go. I just wait guys until I finally discover where I'm gonna go. I found it. Ooh, I am at the honeybee. Honeybee. What's in here? I don't know either. I'm at the honeybee. Wait guys, I'm lagging. Oh, sorry. I don't know how to play this, but it's okay. I'm gonna go in here and jump. Okay, I don't like to go in there, so I'm gonna respawn. Basic sushi. What's this? Sad sushi. Oh, I found a sushi in there. I like this. Hey, I found a sushi in here at the place. It's a dead sushi. Well, I found a sushi. See, I found a running sushi. So let's go in here. What I'm gonna find in here? Okay, I found a blue. Oh, I can find a sushi in here. Hi, I'm the detective sushi. If you want to collect him, you have to help me. Well, we need to find the one who killed the dead sushi. I'll put a list of suspects in front you for you to encourage an interaction. Okay. Hi, I'm Jack, and I was a supermarket cashier. No, I was only selling food until it caught fire. Go back. How can I go back? By the way, guys, I didn't like. Oh no! What the hell? White sushi. It's coming. Okay, just wait for a minute. What's in here? Oh, wait, I found something. Scary sushi, but you didn't scare me, so. But I feel good at this game. But you're scared me. You're freaking French. We're finding a sushi. We're not eating a sushi. Oh, fluffy sushi. Okay, I'm lagging. Look at me. What I'm doing. Because I'm lagging. That's good. Just even. Oh no! I'm so really scared of this.
Gogi. Tatlo sila, tatlo.
Jump. I said jump.
Gogi.
But I didn't
Light,
even
tamaan mo kaya.
hop.
Ayun. Inagaw.
There's nothing.
Nasa A. Nasa A. Nasa A.
There's nothing guys. Very nothing.
Wala na. Hala.
So guys, this is our video for today. Bye bye.